Hi Abhilash, welcome to IIT Delhi. We're glad to have you here. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? Where are you from? Where did you study? What you like to do? What your research interests are?
Yeah, sure. Uh, so I joined IIT like 4 months ago, and before that, I was working at a few startups in Bay Area. And before that, I finished my PhD from Purdue University. Um, and before that, I did my undergrad from IIT Kanpur. So currently,
Right.
I'm involved in broadly in like systems, um, which is like operating systems, mobile systems, and everything that it touches. Yeah.
Okay, great. That's interesting. So tell us. Now, I don't want to put you on the spot, but which one do you think is better, IIT Kanpur or IIT Delhi?
Well,
Okay. You don't have to answer that question. You don't
yeah,
have to answer that question. I'm
yeah.
just joking. Uh,
Student
so
life
uh,
is special.
Yeah,
So
no, you can maintain silence, diplomatic silence on that. That's perfectly fine.
yeah.
How did you get interested in research in computer systems? How did that interest come about?
Yeah, so honestly, like initially I was more inclined towards theory, which is like algorithms. But over time, I fell in love with the practical aspects, like which is basically systems is a very dynamic field which changes every time there is some interesting trend in industry. And I got a taste of doing research in lab and actually applying it to the real world. So some of my ideas were picked up in the industry. So that is actually very exciting. That excites me a lot. The practical aspects of systems is just amazing.
Great, that's great. That sounds like something our students can also learn a lot from. So tell us, why did you choose to come to IIT Delhi specifically? Any specific reason?
Yeah, so like the facilities are pretty great, right? Like the the funding is good. Government supports IITs a lot. So those were all the like objective points. But there's also like a strong gut feeling way I was motivated. So when I was interviewing, there was a pretty important thing I wanted to focus on is like how do I feel in that environment? Do I feel like a positive energy and dynamism when I'm sitting in the department? And when I visited IIT Delhi, actually, that I had a very resounding yes. Like everyone here is very excited. They're all working on interesting research problems, and I continue to feel that excitement while I'm here. So yeah, like that was one of the biggest reasons. I wanted to join like a dynamic place.
Great, and we're really happy to have you.
Yeah.
So, any last words? Do you want to say something to the students, something to industry? Just some last word from you on this, and we'll finish this interview.
Yeah, sure. So basically, yeah, I think I touched it a little bit. Like I have a very, since I've spent some time at startups, like I have a very practical approach to research. So I hope to work on problems that can have like large and immediate practical impact. So for that reasons, I'm always looking for like some industry collaborations and also for excited students who enjoy coding and building systems.
Great. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, Abhilash.
Yeah.
Welcome again to IT Delhi.
Yep. Thanks, Amita.